This How to 1 Minute will show you how to compress PDF file size both PC and mobile. First of all, let's see the process in PC. Open your browser and type here compress PDF online. And open this website smallpdf.com. Click on choose files. And all you have to do is just select here the PDF which you want to compress. And it may take some time to upload the PDF here. Once it's uploaded, select basic compression. Now I'm clicking on compress. And the previous size was 1 megabyte and current PDF size is 75 kilobyte. 94% compressed successfully. And now all you have to do is just click on download, and that's how you'll be able to compress PDF file size from computer. Now let's see this process on mobile. On your mobile, open a browser and type PDF compressor, and again open this website smallpdf.com. Choose files, and now select the PDF which you want to compress. Select basic compression, compress, and here you can see 89% successfully compressed. Now all you have to do is just tap on download. Tap on download, open in, tap on save to files, select the folder and tap on save. And this is how we can compress PDF file size from both mobile and PC. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.